Camera Zoom FX Premium APK 6.2.9 latest version 2018 latest version of Camera Zoom FX Premium APK 6.2.9 is an awesome Android app that will eventually take your Android's photography experience to an entirely different level. Basically, this app gives full manual DSLR control and it allows users to capture raw images. You can set ISO, focus distance, exposure, shutter speed of your camera using Camera Zoom FX Premium app. Smartphones have taken an integral part of our life. If we look around, we will find that everyone holds an Android smartphone. Talking about Android, it's one of the popular mobile operating systems which is loved by millions of users. Android now powers a majority of smartphones available in the marketplace. We can do almost everything with the help of Android smartphone, including making calls, exchange messages, surf web, capture photos, and videos. If we take a brief look at Android's Google Play Store, we will find plenty of camera apps over there. Some of the camera apps available on Google Play Store offers some great features, however, not all of them stands up to the expectation. So, if you are amongst those who are struggling to find the best camera app to have on Android, we are going to share an excellent Android app that will take your photography experience to the next level. The camera app which we are going to discuss below is known as Camera Zoom FX Premium app. This is one of the most popular camera app available for Android smartphones and tablets. This app will eventually take your Android's photography experience to a different level. So, let's explore more about Camera Zoom FX Premium app. Well, we also know that smartphone nowadays comes with a high-quality camera which can even compete with powerful DSLRs. For photo lovers, the camera is the most important things to watch on. Your phone's camera might be a king amongst all, but guess what? King is nothing without its army. As we have already mentioned above in the article, Camera Zoom FX Premium is an awesome Android app that will eventually take your Android's photography experience to an entirely different level. This awesome app actually helps users to explore the maximum potential of their phone's camera. Camera Zoom FX Premium app is already available on Google Play Store and it comes in two versions, free and premium. The free one also does the job well, but it comes with some limitation. However, the premium version of the app comes with some extra benefits. Basically, this app gives full manual DSLR control and it allows users to capture raw images. You can set ISO, focus distance, exposure, shutter speed of your camera using Camera Zoom FX Premium app. Apart from all of these, Camera Zoom FX Premium app also comes with a photo editor in which you can do some basic stuff like adding effects, adjusting the brightness, contrasts, etc. Camera Zoom FX Premium greatly improves the usefulness of your Android's camera.